Hello, dear students. Welcome to the General English class. As you all know that we were covering section A from the General English book, but we have already covered 6 chapters from the section A, and we are only left with one chapter from that section. So let us cover a few chapters from section C as well. So today we are starting with the first chapter from section C, that is An Astrologer's Day. This chapter, An Astrologer's Day, has been written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, beta, is a very famous author writing in English, Indian author writing in English. In fact, he has been regarded as one of the greatest Indian writers who wrote in English. Not only a great novelist, R.K. Narayan also is considered to be a leading writer of short stories. And today we are going to read one of his short stories. Narayan's aim as a writer has always been to give aesthetic satisfaction to the reader. So basically you really enjoy his stories. Let us read a little about the author from this given information as well. R.K. Narayan is an Indian novelist and short story writer of international repute. With Raja Rao and Mulk Raj Anand, they were his contemporaries. They were also writing while he was writing in English. He forms a trio. Trio is basically a team of 3 people, of trio of talented writers of Indo-Anglican Anglican fiction. He is one of those Indian authors who write for both Eastern and Western public. So regardless of what his public is, it appeals to everyone. सबको उनके काम जो है works पसंद आते हैं. They appeal to everyone. He was educated at Maharaja's College, Mysore. He had a keen understanding of various aspects of human nature. He was really a master of human nature. एक author को बहुत ज़रूरी होता है human nature को study करना और उसकी knowledge होना, and he was a master at it. So most of his writings deal with the day-to-day Indian life, both urban and rural, and are written in a simple style. So let us read about his major works. His first novel and very famous novel was Swami and His Friends. That was published in 1935. And then he also wrote The Bachelor of Arts, and later on he wrote novels like The English Teacher in 1945 and The Guide in 1958. Both are very, very famous novels. His collection of short stories, that is An Astrologer's Day and Other Stories, contains some of his best stories. सो ये एक एंथोलॉजी थी, एक स्टोरीज़ का एक संग्रह जिसको बोलते हैं वो था, और उसमें से एक स्टोरी जो है एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स डे आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. हिज वर्क स्प्रिंग फ्रॉम इंडियन सॉइल बट देयर अपील इज़ यूनिवर्सल. No doubt he wrote about Indian society and Indian way of life, but it is what he teaches and what he talks about is universal. सब पे वो apply होती है वो चीज़ें. He was also awarded Padma Bhushan for distinguished services to literature. So this is a brief introduction about the author. It is really important, and I would like you to add some of the details in your long answers. Now before we actually start with the chapter, I would like you to have a look at the author. So this is R.K. Narayan, okay, and some of his famous works were Swami and His Friends. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, Swami and Friends, very very famous. आप YouTube पे भी बेटा देख सकते हो. YouTube पे ये पूरा आपको काफ़ी सारे एपिसोड्स में ये मिलेगा. It is really interesting. You can watch it if you want. And this is a famous movie Guide, which was played by Devanand and Wahida Rahman. You can also watch this movie as well. And not only this, this story that we are going to read, Astrologer's Day, that has also been adapted into a short Hindi movie, a short Hindi film. I will link I will also provide you the link to the short film. You would really enjoy that. तो आप वो भी देख सकते हो for to have a better understanding of the chapter. Now let us begin with the chapter